Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now in this screen section we can tap on sleep option. And here we've got, of course, options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. And at the bottom, the longest option available in this device, which is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will choose 10 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.